Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a cool glass effect in Canva for make your photo pose more eye-catching. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Canva and then upload your photo. And then next, just resize it until it fills the entire canvas like this. And then next, just go to apps like this. And then just search for the glass maker. This one, this app, just click on it and then open, and then next just select your image like this, and then just simply tap on start class effect. Okay, like this, and then just resize the effect like this, and then you can also adjust the class effect over here. Just adjust it as you need, as you like. And then you can also adjust the shadow, blur, and then stroke, opacity, scale, positions. Just adjust it as you like, and when you're done, just simply tap on add to designs like this, and then adjust the size like this, for example like this. And then after that, just go to just go to elements, and then just search for the frames, and then just search for the half of circle like this one, position it for example like this. And then after that, just go to layers, and then just input the same picture on the frame like this, and then double click, and then just adjust the size so it matches the first image like this. Okay, for example like this, so it will look like this. Okay, like this. And then after that, just add the outline on the frames, a little outline, for example like this. And then adjust the color, change the color to white, for example like this. And then after that, just upload the same image, and then remove the background, and then adjust it so it matches the first image like this. And then after that, just crop it carefully until it creates the illusions that part of the object is popping out of the glass like this. Okay, like this. And after that, for the more realistic look, just add shadow effect to the object like this. For example, this one, and then position it like this. Okay, like this. Done. Your eye-catching glass effect photo is ready to post. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.